Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Vultr VPS with storage snapshots, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from Vultr VPS with storage snapshots, first, log in to your Vultr account. Navigate to the Products tab on the dashboard. Select the VPS instance you want to work with. On the Instance Details page, locate the Snapshots tab. Click on the Create Snapshot button to start the snapshot process. Give your snapshot a meaningful name for easy identification. Confirm your choice to create the snapshot. Wait for the snapshot process to complete. Once completed, go back to the Snapshots tab. Find the snapshot you just created in the list. Click on the snapshot to view its details. Select the download or export option if available. Follow the prompts to save the snapshot to your local device. If you intend to switch VPS providers, access the new provider's dashboard. Follow their specific instructions for importing the snapshot. Ensure you have the necessary configurations and resources in place on the new provider. Once the snapshot has been successfully imported, verify that all your data and settings are intact. You have now effectively withdrawn from Vultr VPS using storage snapshots. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.